Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is yoga for absolute beginners. Let's begin. Sit down nice and tall in Ardha Padmasana. Half lotus pose, cross your leg comfortably. And let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose. Sitting bone down, tailbone down, crown reaching to the sky as inhale. Lengthen your spine. And exhale, soften your chest and soften your shoulders. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 more. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Now let's take tabletop pose on your floor. Palm heels underneath your shoulders. Knees underneath your hips and arms and knees open about hip distance. Either you can keep your toes tucked or straight, up to you. And inhale, let's arch your back. This is cow pose. And exhale, cat pose. Roll your back as much as you can. Press your palm heel down. And inhale, look up, stretch your spine. Drop your belly, exhale, tuck your chin. Belly button to the spine. Really squeeze your belly button to the spine. Inhale, lengthen spine, tailbone, crown reaching up. Widen your collarbone. Exhale, tuck your chin, tuck your tailbone. Roll your back as much as you can. Make it like a circle, bow. Inhale, one more big arch. And exhale, roll your back. And back to center. Now, let's take Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. You may hear this, you may see this pose all the time. And if you cannot keep your heels down, don't worry about it. And if you feel like you want to keep your knees bent like this, it is okay. And over the time, you may feel the heels completely down like this and the knees straight like that. But right now, don't worry about it. Let's say, keep your heels slightly, if you need to, keep your heels slightly up and bend your knees. And try to keep your tailbone shift toward your legs so that your weight, your upper body weight doesn't come to crash into your arms like this. Just try to support your weight with your leg more so than your arms. Like this way. And Jurishi, it is gaze. Gaze between your legs. And then check your shoulders. Shoulders is not like this, not crashing into ears. Shoulders, try to lifting away from ears. Try to create space between shoulders and ears. And more oftentimes we stay here in downward facing dog pose about 5 breaths. Human breath, inhale through the nose. And exhale through the nose. And after 5 breaths, slowly walk your hands to your feet. And you need to keep your knees bent and hug your elbows. Sway your head to the side, gentle, very gentle. To relax, stretch your spine. And release your hands. Bend your knees slowly, each vertebra roll up. Take your time. And even cervical vertebra slowly stack up. And shoulder rolls back and down. Keep your chest open. And from here, keep your feet open about the hip distance. And inhale, reach and grab wrist with the opposite hand. Inhale, exhale, stretch to the side. Make sure keep your heels down, both heels planting down. You may feel stretch the side of your body. And next, exhale back to center. Now switch your arm. Inhale, exhale, stretch, 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 stretch. Try to feel the stretch on the side. Plant your heels, both heels down. And back to center, release. Now come to the top of the mat. Let's do sun salutation, Sayam Namaskara. Inhale, toes heels touch. Inhale, arms up. Keep your shoulders down. And exhale, forward bend. Hinge on your hips, forward. And inhale, halfway, crown reaching forward. Use your belly button and core engage to keep good posture. And bend your knee, plant your hands. And step back, ease a foot to plank pose. Heel to crown, try to make it in one line. And from here, keep your knees bent down and directly to upper facing dog. Make sure neck is not like this. Okay? Neck is long and shoulders away from ears. Keep your shoulders away from ears. And shoulder blades together. Don't concave your chest. Convex your chest. Shoulder blades together. And from here, tuck your toes. Use your arms, hands, and knee coming down to downward facing dog. Again, don't worry if your heels is not down, slightly up, it is okay. And try to shift your hips to the heel so that you support and whole weight. Try to support your whole weight with your legs more so than arms. Okay, this way. And walk, pedal your feet to stretch your calf. And back to neutral. And now, bring your knee down, open your knee about your mat distance, touch your toes, sit on your hips. And forehead rest on the mat and reach tip of your finger forward and take child pose, Balasana. If you've always wanted to do yoga, this is a great sequence to start with. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!